Hello, everyone. I want to welcome Mark Smith to the Python Web Conf 2021 gang. I'm really excited you're joining us this year for our conference. I saw you at DjangoCon Europe over the summer, and I was really excited about that. Why don't you tell us a little bit about what you're going to talk during the Python Web Conf?
So I'm giving a talk called How to Get on This Stage and What to Do When You Get There.
How perfect.
I hope so. It's kind of a meta talk. So it's really, the talk consists of the steps that I went through to get this talk accepted to this conference. So we're talking about how to fill in a CFP for the conference that you're going to be attending, how to follow the instructions that you're given, which may sound like a straightforward thing, but it isn't always. And then to all the steps afterwards. So in terms of preparing your talk, there's not going to be a huge amount about like how to write a talk because there's loads of great content there, but it's more about a timeline about how to plan the steps and before actually attending the conference and giving that talk and getting all that applause at the end and getting the bug for speaking if it's your first time speaking and then doing it again.
Yeah, I thoroughly enjoy it. Now, you'll be attending the conference as well. What are you looking forward to as an attendee of the Python Web Conference?
It's going to be my first Python Web Conference. So every year I have seen people attending and enjoying themselves at this conference. And then I kind of think, why didn't I go to that? And also all the great swag as well. So you've got such great branding around the conference.
That's awesome. I'm glad the word's gotten out around that. We worked hard on it last year because, with everyone being remote, wanting to give people something that can kind of feel like they're still going to a conference. Like we sent a lanyard so you could put it on and like your family would know that even though I'm in the house, I'm really at a conference.
Oh, I love that. It's because I mean it's just very difficult to recreate that feel at home, isn't it? So it's nice that you've put in all that extra effort. It's appreciated.
Yeah, cool. Well, I'm looking forward to it. I'm glad you'll be joining us here in March. With that, I will see you soon.
I'll see you there.